Construction Introduction to Ethiopia Airline Village Phase 2 Project Steel Frame Support System. General introduction of the project. The new high-rise buildings are composed of 65 blocks and will accommodate 10,080 housing units. Each apartment building has one basement floor and 22 floors. There are 4 apartment types. They are named after Axum, Abba Jafar, Gondar, and Harar. There are 4 house types: 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and 4 bedrooms. Overview of single apartment building. Each apartment building with 22 ground floors and 1 basement floor. Plan view size. Length 63.85 meters. Width 15.15 meters. Standard floor height 3.15 meters. General building height 74.2 meters. The structure adopts steel frame plus incline support structure system. The frame columns are 43 pieces box steel tube concrete columns. The frame beams are H steel beams The incline supports are box-like member The floor deck is steel bar truss composite floor deck. Internal wall uses light composite energy-saving wallboard and external wall use brick filler. Construction method introduction. 1. Basement construction. After basement pile construction completed, casting the foundation bed and laying the foundation bottom layer reinforcing steel. The TC6517 tower crane will be used to lift the steel column pedestal. During the lifting and installation, the location of the pedestal will be accurate positioned. Then the foundation steel bar laying work will be carried out. At the same time, the secondary positioning and calibration work of pedestal will be done. After confirm the location and elevation, the pedestal and foundation steel bar will be tied together and foundation platform and base plate concrete will be casted. The steel member will be transported to site after fabricated in shop. The first steel column will be fixed temporary with bolt. The steel beam will be fixed with bolt after lifting. In the location where incline support exists, the incline support will be fixed temporary with bolt. After the temporary frame formed with steel structure, the steel column, steel beam, and incline support location shall be rechecked and adjusted. The up and down steel column shall be welded after that. Then the steel beam upper and lower flange shall be welded with steel column. The incline support will be welded in the last. The steel bar truss floor deck will be laid between steel beams. The floor deck and steel beam upper flange shall be fixed with welded stud. There will be no formwork in the bottom of floor deck. Fill the steel tube with self-compaction and high-strength concrete. Finally, casting the floor deck concrete. 2. Ground floor construction method introduction. Building plan construction. Steel structure segmented lifting. Basically, steel column will be lifted and installed 2 to 3 floors as one segment. The segment point locates in the elevation 1.2 meters. The steel beam and incline support will be lifted and installed entirely. Lifting and installation sequence: external frame steel column lifting and correcting, steel frame beam installation, secondary beam lifting and installation. Welding sequence: external frame steel column welding, steel frame beam welding, external frame steel column concrete filling, incline support temporary fixed with bolt, and welded after structure deformation corrected. Building facade construction. From top to down, lifting work, high-strength bolt work, welding work, profiled steel plate work, concrete casting work, fireproof coating work, brick construction work. It takes 5 days to finish constructing one floor. The total construction period of main ground structure is about 4 months. Fireproof coating will be painted to steel structure before start inside and outside wall brickwork. Steel tie bar will be set every 0.5 meters along the column direction on the outside wall. Light composite energy-saving wallboard is main material of inner wall. It will be erected and then installed between beam. During the brick construction work, when there is incline support, the wall under the inclined support shall be constructed first. Then the above the inclined wall shall be constructed later. It will be filled and leveled up with bricks in the 2 sides of the steel beam in order to fully hide the steel beam. The pipeline will be installed among the steel beams, thus to increase the net height of floors. The electric wire can be freely connected in the filler walls and floors. The water pipe can be laid in slot. When using steel frame support structure system to apartment building, 2 to 3 floors can be constructed at the same time. The construction period can be shortened compared with traditional concrete frame structure system. With the small-sized column, the room size will be enlarged and the floor net height will be increased. Besides that, the steel frame support structure system has excellent anti-seismic performance and it is environment-friendly and energy conservation.